Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assign OBS actions to Razer Stream Controller X. And to do this, first you will need to download and install a loop deck on your PC. You can check our previous video on how to do it. When it's installed, then we can go and click on this button, for example. That way we should see all of our plugins, and there's OBS right here. Click on it, then you'll see all of the actions available for OBS, and for example screenshot, we can assign it to this button. Now if I press it on my stream controller, it will instantly take a screenshot with OBS. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.